Hello all. In today's video, we shall discuss about the recommendation system. First of all, let me explain what's meant by the recommendation system. I hope you would have seen e-commerce sites like Amazon. Okay, over there, if you want to purchase any product, like for example, you want to purchase a mobile product. Okay, you will go to the detail page of that product. As soon as you go to the detail page of the product, at the bottom of that page, you will see some more suggestions which are related to that product. So it is providing some kind of recommendations, that we call it as recommendation system. Now let's see how are we going to achieve that in our today's video. Okay, now I have taken some random text which I have generated from the Copilot. This random text consists of text related to the mobile device, headphones, laptops. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find the similarity. Okay, similarity related to this text. For example, this sentence is more similar to this sentence than comparatively to this sentence. Okay, as this sentence is more similar, this is going to have the higher number. Whenever we are comparing this sentence with other sentences, then this sentence is going to have the higher number. But coming to the other sentences which are not similar, those are going to have the lower number. Now let's start the development. Okay, now for this development there are only two steps. Okay, the first one is count vectorizer and second one is the cosine similarity. Okay, now first let's import the count vectorizer. Let's import this. Let's add this as well. First of all, what we have to do is, to do the similarity, first of all we need to convert this whole thing to the numerical format. So for that purpose we will use count vectorizer. Now let's convert. Just a second, I'm getting some issue. Let me see. Nothing. Actually, I missed to run this cell, so that's why I was facing that issue. Now it's working fine. Okay, now let's go to the second step. That is called cosine similarity. Let's import the cosine similarity. Let's copy this. Now let's understand what is this cosine similarity. Okay, I have created a graph. Okay, this you consider like a vector space. This is one vector, this is one vector, and this is one vector, and this is one vector. Okay, now we do have some sentences. Okay, like these two, and below we do have the orange lines, right? So those two. So what's exactly happening over here? Okay, these two are very close because it focuses on the similarity of the text. Okay, as these two texts are very similar, that's why these two are very close. In the same way, these two texts are very similar, that's why these two are very close. Okay, now it doesn't focus on the context, it just focuses on the similarity of the text. Okay, currently just for your understanding I have provided the English sentence, but in reality this will not be the sentences, this will be the in the numerical format. Okay, these all in the some vector. Okay, now as these two are similar and these two are similar, but coming to these, this blue line and this orange line, these two are very far because the similarity of these texts are not very similar. Okay, now okay, now let's add our similarity. These are the vectors. Now let's see what comes inside this similarity. Now if you see over here, we are getting some kind of scores. Okay, but let me show you something like this. Okay, now what I am doing, I have taken the first sentence. Okay, for the first sentence we have got the similarity scores match related to the other sentences. Okay, now if you see, this is our first sentence, one in the sense nothing but you consider as like 100% it is getting matched. And if you see other sentences, this has more number, that means this sentence is matching. And other second highest number is this 35, that means this is as well matching. As third highest number is 31, this is as well matching. So right now what we have to do is we have to find the indexes of these. Okay, what we have to do, we have to find the indexes of this. After that, then we have to map that indexes with this corpus, with this corpus list. Okay, once again let me repeat, what we have to do, we have to find the highest number indexes and that we have to match with the indexes of this sentence. Okay, by that we can find the similarity. Okay, now you understand, till here our main coding has been completed. Okay, now just what we are doing, just we gonna display. Okay, now the next two lines of code which I'm going to write, that you can write as the way you want. Okay, now first of all let me write the code and I will explain you what is this. I'm taking first sentence, I want to see the similarity of this sentence. I'm waiting out of suggestion, let me take that. Okay, now if you see what we are getting, we are getting the indexes and as well as its own score, another index and its own score. What we are doing, we are getting first 5 sentences which are matching with the first sentence. Okay, that is as well in a descending order, that means from the top to low. Okay, now let's see. Now what we have to do, we have to map with the okay, what we are doing, just we are doing nothing. I of 0 in the sense we are taking this index and we want to get the index which are present in this that corpus. By that we can view the sentence from this, and by this what we are doing, we are taking the first, that means index 1. Okay, and we are displaying the that means this value as well. Okay, now let's see what we did over here. We did for the first sentence. What's our first sentence? First sentence is this. Okay, now for this we are going to get the matching similarity sentences. Okay, this is the first similar sentence, this is the second similar sentence, third similar sentence. For example, if you want to see for the second similar sentences, that as well you can do. Now see, we are getting the similar sentences related to the headphones. Okay, this is how the recommendation system works. I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case if you have understood even a one small point, I wish you to like the video. In case if you have learned a lot many things, and if you have understood the whole video, just please do subscribe my channel as well. Thank you for watching this video.